we live?
Yeah. Let me make sure my mic. It sounds so quiet now, dude. Like I have to like.
Sounds loud on my end.
Okay, I. This is just. Oh wait, yeah, I did do that. Didn't hold on.
It's loud on my end.
Okay, This is just. Oh wait, yeah, I did do that. Didn't hold on. Okay, yeah. I forgot. I changed my gain a little bit. Cause I thought it was like
Huh?
way too loud. So if I just remove that completely. Now it should be like, yeah, barely hitting the yellow, then you're gonna be a little bit quieter. Okay, talk. Seifu Bay.
Hello?
Okay, there we go. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
never mind.
chill.
The live share service doesn't work.
Oh, weird. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me get signed into whatchamacallit, Zed, because I have
Okay.
to sign into my editor now because that's the world we live in, and I don't think it's very
Yes.
appropriate. Okay, you're gonna be fine.
You're rage baiting.
I'm not. Dude, why do I have to sign into my editor?
We can have a debate about this.
We're not having a debate about this. It's stupid. I should have to sign. Do I have to sign into Neovim? No. No.
Ew.
No, I don't.
How? Okay. How
Just
else do you propose that you would create a live share feature with Git integration
you could
and
probably do something over secure shell connection, or not connection, whatever it is.
SSH?
Yeah.
SSH?
Why not? Why not?
What?
Why not? Tell me. Well, okay, just wait. We're not talking about this anymore. Just add me. Add me.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay.
Honestly, doesn't think things through sometimes, guys.
It's okay
Just
to
ignore them.
I don't. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Let's see. Honestly, doesn't think through.
Okay, I had to like double check that they can actually hear your voice now. All right.
Yeah, they can. We're good.
Accept.
Chilling.
Okay. Yeah, I know. It's so bad. Okay, so what were
Yeah,
you?
what are we doing?
Okay. Oh, right. We're moving the peer comms logic. We're moving the bulk of
The logic
the
from Otter us to
yes. But hold on. I need to do one thing.
portray it.
Yeah, I need to do one thing first though. I did a big stupid. I put
That was a bit stupid.
no, well, not that stupid. I made a function that's basically like a clone of another function. Um, so I just need to move those
Yeah.
two functions together. So it's slime 354 of modrs, Pierce modrs if you're curious. Okay, so it should be match message. Um,
Wait, don't we already have a function for this?
yeah, handle send, the one below it. Yes, I know, it's bad. Here, you fix the syntax errors, or just you got this,
Yeah, I
buddy.
got you.
You got this. You got this.
Uh, there's supposed to be another one right here.
You got this, buddy. You're doing great. I believe in you.
Well,
I believe in you.
there's supposed to be another one?
Oh, yeah, do that. Yeah, do that. Oh, there we go. I got you, bro. I got you. I think it's just that we aren't covering other branches now. Yeah.
There. There.
Okay. So now we just hold on. Oh, wait. Oh, I didn't. Oopsie. Wait. Can I access my register on register?
I mean, on Zed.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
need my register.
look at that. I can't. You don't. He doesn't know. He doesn't know what. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Like,
Okay. I'm just
is
gonna.
the undos or the?
He doesn't know what a register is. Okay.
Yeah, bro. I don't. I'm a Neovim power user, but like I don't
Ooh,
nerd out about it like that.
I wouldn't say power user now. Like I don't want to be that guy,
I
but
use it every day. What do you mean?
every day is hey, look, and I use my phone every day. Am I a senior mobile dev?
I didn't say senior. I said power user.
Am I
Yes,
a
and
power?
yes, you're an iOS power user.
That
Yes,
is
you are because you're on your
crazy,
phone so much. Yes,
crazy.
you are.
All right,
How
hold
that
on, let
works.
me, cause I can't figure out how to work registers on Z. So let me just go here to the GitHub and
Looks blazing fast.
huh?
We haven't even gotten to performance yet. It's so
No,
quick.
yeah, no, it's pretty bad. Oh yeah, I gotta pin the repo link in the chat. Yeah, no,
Yeah.
it's I mean it's not slow. It's not great. There's n
Well, we don't even know yet. We haven't even tried to
Whoa,
benchmark
whoa, whoa,
this.
whoa,
Not
whoa.
hard to benchmark.
We just have to magically assume that it's going to be
Yeah,
fast, and then pin that.
yeah,
Okay.
because they're in Rust, obviously.
Yeah,
Way
obviously.
faster in Rust.
Okay, peers. Wait, no, it's just mod RS. Wait, where's mod? There's mod. Peers mod RS. Oh wait, yo, no, we're fine. I could figure out how to work registers, or I could copy this. I will copy this.
Control Z, bro.
No, well, yeah, but then I would undo more. Oh, there's not. Oh, what is the highlight on this? It's so bad. It's actually
Wait,
so
that's the
bad.
one thing I really hate about Zed. It's the insert mode has a highlight too. Like when you highlight inside insert mode,
Yeah.
um, it doesn't turn into visual mode
Oh, that's so
like it does
weird.
in the other. It's really stupid. That's like one of the main things I don't like about it. I might make a pull request is to fix that.
Oh my god. Okay.
Put it in Rust, by the way.
Oh my god, bro. You gotta.
Oh my
Stuff that.
god.
Wait, peer supports bep10 dot bep10 bep here. Let's go to proper and self dot peer supports dot bep10 and do this.
Also, do does the peer supports struct is it only there to signify true or false values like 0 and 1 stuff like that?
Yeah.
Uh, well, this might be adding unnecessary complexity, but wouldn't it be like better to have this more like a peer flags or whatever, and just use bitwise?
I mean, the
You
bitwise,
know, like that.
yes, but I mean, well, actually, no, because like for some, like BEP9 has to be a U8, because that's an
Well,
ID.
we can turn it like we can surday it and make it serialize. When it serializes itself, serialize as a U8 and deserialize the U8 too.
I
Because
think
it's sharing the screen, it is him, this other guy.
it's him. Yes, it's me, the guy who actually. Wait, oh yeah, oh yeah, I suppose there's no reason to not or not, there's no reason to tell. Oh, words are not my thing tonight. There's no way to tell who's actually sharing the screen. I should probably fix that at some point, shouldn't I? Yeah, that would be important.
Well, what do you mean?
Well, because, like, okay, if someone just joins, I mean, if they've heard my
Yeah.
voice before, they probably know who's sharing their screen, but still, like,
Fair enough.
otherwise, I don't know. Uh, Here's no support. I mean, we could, but I feel like right now it's just adding,
It's fine. We can work
uh,
on that later.
uh, okay,
Okay.
that's moved in there, and then we'll just delete handle send. Oh, I need to add copy and paste the documentation.
Okay. You need also, by the way, for future reference, you don't need to manually implement default
Oh,
like this.
wait,
You can
do I
just put it in
not?
Derive.
Oh, okay, seriously, just derive. Oh,
Yeah, you can put it in the Derive.
ah, okay.
Because is if you're using stuff like options, um, booleans and numbers,
Mm-hmm.
anything that's like not a string, I'm pretty sure, or a more complex data type that doesn't implement default, you can just put default in the Derive and it will set it to like default values. So for a
Ah,
boolean, it'll be false. For U8 or any kind of number, it would be 0, and so on and so forth.
yeah. Ah, okay.
And if it's a more complex struct, then that child struct has to implement default too. You
Yeah.
don't really need manual implementations for default for simple structs.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah.
Been a while since I've seen any of your videos. so I'm not American, so it's hard to distinguish your voices.
Actually, yeah, yeah,
Fair enough.
yeah. I didn't even think of that. Okay. Wait. One thing. Where? Wait. Handle peer command. Never mind. That's fine. But it should be. Huh? It should be. There we go. Okay. I was gonna say I didn't know what was going on there. Okay. You want to go ahead and just commit that, and then we'll shove all of that logic into a trait.
Yes, I
Oh.
got you. Hold on. Let me.
Yeah. Yeah. Cause I can't actually. Can I commit?
Yeah, this is a command. It's fine.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
Uh,
I should know if I could. What's the other diff?
Oh, it's just me removing your default implementation.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
Remove manual default here supports.
Oh, wait,
Hey.
hold on. Oh, you
I
committed
can
the
I
wrong.
can undo it. What's up?
Yeah, no, you're fine. You're fine. Yeah, yeah. You just committed the wrong file.
Oh, oops. Thank you for telling me. I
It's
would not have
fine.
noticed that.
You, you can always just
It's
leave a note. It's not that big of a deal.
okay.
All right.
Okay, so should I? You want to type this one out or
No. You're good. You're good. Yeah. Just.
what did you do?
Yeah. I did do that, didn't I? Move. Oh, what's the right word for that?
You can click
Um,
on the file at the top to see the diffs, by the way.
no. I'm looking at the diffs right now. Um, Move logic from handle send into handle peer command. Yeah, that should be fine. Oh, and then just commit. Right, and have that checked. Okay, I don't use this ever. So, okay, there we go. That should work. Okay.
Okay, it's updated.
Um,
It's pushed.
all right, cool. Okay, so yeah, now we need to throw this into a trait, and then put that in pure comms. Do you just want to put that
Yeah.
trait in?
Okay. Well, question: how
Mhm.
much of this is editing self?
Mm, oh, a lot,
Okay.
which is a problem, isn't it? Um,
Yes, it is.
yeah. Okay, so that maybe we don't put this in a trait and we just accept that this file is kind of fat.
Uh, hold on.
Um,
I'm thinking self. Let's send.
Cause yeah, we use self a lot. Uh,
Well, self seems to be more of an instance of peer. This doesn't. I mean, it seems to be just like the struct itself. Like it's not like an instance of self. That seems to
hmm?
be what we're doing more than anything else. I
uh,
don't.
huh?
I see handle receive uses self, but what is it using self for?
Let's see.
Uh,
Like self.peer supports or self.state. Um,
oh yeah, self.amchokes.store. We can.
we could separate that into
This
helper
is
functions.
stuff that can be moved into. I have an idea for
Okay.
this
Okay. Let's see it.
because if it's. I'm just looking at all instances of self being used.
Hmm.
This doesn't self.info that has have all bytes info. Okay, this is fine.
Because we should be able to move that
Okay.
into. Go ahead.
So we can kind of split up this whole all this into traits. I have an idea.
Okay.
Okay, so what we can do is have a we can have a trait
Hmm.
called we can split up everything into different traits that so everything that we would access via self we can make its own trait basically or group them up
Okay.
categorically
Yeah.
into their own traits.
Okay.
So
I see where you're going
so
with
we can
this.
have like a pure state trait trait, right?
And that modifies peer state, or that
Exactly. So what
provides
we could do
functions.
is have like wait, we already have a thing. Um impl so what we could do is in state we can have like a trait here state handler
Hmm.
maybe in state.rs, and then what we can do is
Just have a bunch of helper functions.
yeah, just spam helper functions like that. That would split it up.
This is honestly a
Something like that,
place where ChatGPT would be useful.
definitely.
Okay, and then we just impl peer state handler on the main peer struct, right?
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, that seems.
And then we can have the pure comms trait. We can have one of its requirements to be implemented, the pure
State handler.
state handler.
Okay, that seems fair. Okay.
And then that's how we can do that. So we can
Okay.
have like a function called like set underscore bytes downloaded and et cetera, et cetera.
Okay, that
Wait.
seems fair.
Oh no, wait. Oh yeah, yeah. So this is, and they would be blanket. They would be undefined functions, by the way. So it'd be like fn sets underscore note.
Oh yeah. Okay. That's
And
not.
then it'd just be like this, and
Wait,
then
got
is choked. Oh yeah, I can't.
that. Yeah.
And then just have it return. Oh, it doesn't even need to return.
No,
But sure, we can just do that.
Yeah. Okay.
So then we can just do stuff like this.
Okay. Yeah. Let me.
And
You got it. You got it. That should be. Yeah. 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 That should be fine. I was gonna say that should be fine though.
oh wait, fucking autocomplete is not liking me.
I can say. Yeah.
So set
Yeah.
ChatGPT this. Yeah. Do you think you can do that? Do you think you can
Yeah.
do that ChatGPT this real quick?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's fine. Just copy and paste it. Just make sure you actually
Okay.
read over it.
Great.
Because someone used AI before, and that didn't go well. Sorry, I coughed. Okay.
I don't really like the handler name scheme. FN supports.
Charles.
That.
Hey, Charles. Hey, bud. How's it going? Cat's here. Yeah, I know. We don't normally use. Well, yeah. Well, someone here uses ChatGPT sometimes, but for really monotonous
I
stuff
don't
like
really
this.
use. I don't need. Nah, not really. I do have the AI autocomplete, but like,
That's kind of.
I don't really feel like that's bad for him, to be honest.
No.
But
He is a.
overall, I don't use AI that much.
Just don't talk about AI around him and not that much because he might relapse.
Okay. Okay.
I mean, I don't want to be that guy, but you know. Oh my god, I'm falling back. I do. We might have to write the impulse for this stuff ourselves. No, Char, you're good. Because
Wait, would this work?
just
Hold
their
on, I need to
atomics.
test this out.
Yeah, you're fine. But just because they're
Hold
atomics.
on. I'm gonna. Does this work? Because it needs an impl here state. Oh, is this pub? Hold on. Oh fuck, not that one. Here. Pub.
Because we should. Yeah, I see where you're going with this.
Impl here state and color or here.
Wait, can't we just force self to be of a certain type in a trait so we can actually have self?
Uh, I that's what I just realized. I don't.
Yeah, wait,
I'm
yeah.
trying to figure it out.
So,
Let me try in this.
let me look. Because I think.
Oh wait, yeah, you can. You can literally just add a reference to self and it
Yeah,
works.
yeah. I was gonna say, and then, yeah, that way we can just do and then we can go ahead and write the impl here, can't we?
Yeah, yeah. Wait, yeah. So it just works like that. Yeah, it's just that easy.
Yeah.
Oh no, you need to be mutable, by the way, for this stuff.
It
needs to be
no,
mute.
no, you're fine. It's an arc atomic.
Okay, yeah, you got that then. So yeah, you can literally just add.
Yeah. Wait, hold on.
We can't assign the type to self. You can't. This is why they're supposed to be like
Yeah,
undefined function.
yeah, we need to find a way to add a type to self though. Okay, but I'm very sure you can do
No,
that.
no. Here, look in mod.rs and go to line 96. I'll show you what I mean.
Wait, hold on, what? 996. I see. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay. I see what you're doing, I think. Kind of.
There you go.
Yeah.
So it'll just be like this. That's all
Okay,
it'd
okay.
be.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and wait, ordering or what ordering are we normally using? Was that autocomplete or is that you? Um, you should be using ordering release, um, for storing.
I
I'm
don't really know how this works, so it's
I
all
don't
you.
either, but I know that I researched it like 2 weeks ago, and
Mm.
now that's just what we use now. Are we friends? Yeah, we're best friends. He loves me. He yeah.
Kind of a stretch, but yeah.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
no. Absolutely. He tells me good morning every single morning.
Don't know about that one, but yeah.
No, no, it's chill. It's chill. Okay.
Or that there.
I know, right? Okay. So we
Right.
should just be able to go through and yeah, I'm gonna chat GPT this part.
Yep, you got that.
Can I not?
Or yeah.
Does that use a
Actually,
clipboard? I don't know. No, it doesn't. Okay, that makes sense because it said, of course, it doesn't have its own clipboard. Okay. Let me. Finish this trait. Good robot. Good robot. Okay. Nope. Wait, why is it not? I just want to copy, man. What? Huh? Huh?
but
It's not letting me copy, huh? There we go. Okay. Okay. It is in there. I'm gonna delete that. Delete that. Okay. This seems.
wait a minute. I
What?
just realized something.
Uh-oh. What? What
Wait,
was it?
we don't even need to do it like this.
Why not?
You can just have multiple implementations for for peer in multiple different files.
Hold on. My brain's loading. Give me a second.
That means that in peer comms,
Mm-hmm.
we can just okay, hold on. Let me test this out. If this works and this is crazy, you just so go to peer supports.
Okay. You're saying we just directly impl peer? That.
Yeah, this just works.
Are you
You can just do this.
sure? Okay. Uh.
Yeah, this literally just works.
Okay, so in that case, I guess we just kind of impl peer here.
Yeah, you just impl peer everywhere and split up all the code into different files,
Okay.
and we don't need to create traits or anything.
Okay, that seems fair. Peer. That makes my life
So yeah,
easier.
that makes life so much easier without having to deal with traits.
Yeah. Self dot state dot um choked dot store is choked. I'm gonna AI this too. I don't like being that guy, but I'm gonna be that guy. Ordering release, I believe. No, I don't want to import the whole thing, just the thing, please. Ordering. It should be atomic. Yeah, there should be just that, and then
Go.
release. Okay, there we go. That seems fine. Wait.
Hold
Oh,
on.
right. What was mine about? Expected item found.
So shouldn't we rename peer supports to just supports?
I mean,
Just gonna peer dot state.
I guess, but Um, could you? I
Yep.
think you could. Okay, yeah.
No. Continue. Sorry.
No, you're good. No, you're good. You're good. I don't see any reason why not. I don't. Do you want to? I
Because it might make it a little bit. Because
yeah.
it's pretty obvious that that the thing's name
No,
pure supports,
that's fair. Okay, yeah,
and you put if you put pure state for state, then it'll be more consistent. But since
yeah,
you put state, yeah,
yeah,
this is Rust.
yeah. This is Rust. And you're
I'm gonna rename this to
wait.
support.
Do that on the next
Huh?
commit though. We can change the name
Okay.
on the next commit.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, yeah. But I'm doing that right now. I have a research
Read
program.
your chat, bro.
I,
How am I
I'm
reading
doing
your
I'm
chat more
doing
than?
that. I'm doing that. Yeah, I'm doing I'm doing the basics of that right now. And your number one tag is I think it's reset, but it got stolen by someone else. So ugh. Okay. Um. Okay. Why is it not on a semicolon there? Am I? Are there not? Oh,
Oh,
there's
yeah,
just
you're only allowed to do this for things in your own crate, by the way.
did that. Oh, okay. I guess it makes sense.
So
But
you can't do this for just like any struct. It just needs
yeah.
to be inside of your own. So
Okay.
this
That.
this does make the life a lot easier though. I think this actually is a new feature, I think.
Okay. That makes sense.
I don't
Um.
yeah.
Okay. We're gonna be horrible, and we're gonna chat GPT it again. Um. Finish this simple. Good robot. Okay, let's see what it actually did. It actually do it. It's not. It's using ordering relax, but I can just go in and change that. Because I don't agree with ordering relax. I think ordering released. Um, log into. Oh.
People debug.
Into where? Hold on. My dad's having technical issues. Um.
But is better, but you know, Oscar.
Huh?
He doesn't even like AI to begin with,
I
so
don't deal with it.
yeah.
Um. Let's see. Ordering. Store some. This should be. I think this is actually an atomic instant. Yeah. But I have heard. Oh, okay, hold on. Let me go help my dad real quick. Entertain chat.
Yep, I got it. Hello chats. Hello chatters. It is I. So yes, I am in charge of entertaining you guys for now. Um, if you have any questions about the project, feel free to ask, by the way. It's very complex, unfortunately. It's also Oscar's first project using Rust. Me? I'm 17. Yeah, still in high school. No, no, me. I'm still in high school. 17. He's older than me. Probably like a few months, but yeah. Okay, what is that stream? Mm. Okay. Rust is sometimes really annoying to work with, but it's also become one of my favorite languages over over my time using it. Like I used to be a really big Rust hater. It just looks so complicated and this looks so annoying to use. But now that I've like actually sat down and like tried to use it, it's and like used it in a larger project, it's actually really pleasant sometimes. Unless you're fighting with the borrow checker or whatever. But, like overall, it's a really nice language. Again, sometimes though, sometimes it sucks. Um, yeah. Mm.
Okay, I'm back. Okay, sorry.
Welcome back.
Have to
So,
be IT support for my dad. Okay. Uh,
no, honestly, I know that feeling. It's okay.
what?
Said I understand that feeling. It's okay.
Yeah, I know. I'm 18. Seifu's 17.
Yes.
Okay, atomic option instant. He's almost 18.
Import an instant for you. I don't really know how the ordering stuff works, so that's what you have to add.
Yeah. It's just I forget how it works too. I think it should be relax is slowest because of how it handles the memory. Wait, what's the other option? For storing, it should be. See, that's what I don't understand about AI, dude. It just randomly decides that it's gonna use relaxed ordering instead of release. I don't know why, dude. Okay. Anyways, so atomic option. Oh, right. It did expect that, didn't it? Instant. Now, what are you mad about still? Uh,
Okay.
so what's store
So
take?
what else can I move out of here?
Oh, okay. Yeah. See, dude. Look, all I'm saying is that AI cannot even do the most monotonous task. It's making me crash out. All I need to do is add
Your
ordering.
mess. So I can move handle receive into messages to RS, right?
Handler C. Wait, I think yes. I think yeah, that should be
This
fine.
call is already like that's almost 1,000 lines.
I know.
That's
It's
like the worst.
I know. Okay, that should be fine. Should we add getter methods too?
Getter methods. Uh,
We have setters right
I
now.
mean, since we're not accessing it in the tray, we don't really need getter methods.
Oh, you're right, I guess. Yeah. Uh, okay, that should be fine.
Yeah. We have here comments messages rs. Well, this file is mostly comments. I'm not gonna lie. You probably have equal parts comments to
Let me see.
the actual code at this point, and
Oh,
messages
yeah.
rs.
No, no, yeah, there's so much documentation there. That's partially been explaining this mess of a protocol to myself. But yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Simple handshake. We support web 10.
Okay. Do you want me to go through and finish off the impls and all? Actually, hold on. You know what?
Oh, our goal should be to like remove basically all the functions out of modrs,
Yeah. Okay.
except like the standard impulse like debug and
Yeah.
just like partial eq and stuff like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm thinking I should add getter methods to this, just to make everything nice
Really.
and neat. Um, yeah. Okay. Yeah. I don't want to. Can I? Okay. Do I spend the time prompting or do I just
Here, I'll do it. I'll do
write
it.
in my?
Or just do it for
I'll
you.
I'll just do it. It's fine. It's fine. 'Cause I know I want
Because
to
I
do.
actually know how to use AI.
What? You're not using it. You're not. It just you type a thing into it and it gives you a response based off of some very
The
fancy
skill behind
math.
it.
No, no, no. Okay.
I got it. I got it.
No, no.
Um,
You you just specify ordering acquire. Um, make getter methods in Rust for this and for using ordering acquire. I didn't spell that right, but
already
I
got it.
don't care. Let me
Already
see.
got it.
Let me see. Let me see. Let's see.
There you
Let's
go.
see. Is it right? No. Okay. Okay. Point taken. Point taken. Point taken. And point taken. Okay. That should be fine.
Okay, well, now you have to.
Likely, a bunch of helper methods. Uh, Basically, getter and setter methods. Wrappers. Wrappers. Okay. That seems good. And
Okay. Good. Also, I just want to, for future reference, we might have to create a we might have to surde our the peer struct itself later on because we are supposed to send our list of peers to other peers, by the way, for like DHT later on. So I
yeah.
just want you to keep that in later on for
Okay.
like
Yeah.
in
Yeah. But is that just supposed to be for uh hold on, brain's working. Is that just supposed to be for? Oh my gosh, dude, I'm actually so tired. I literally cannot think of the next word I want to say. Um.
and at like what
Oh. Oh.
6 p.m.
Yeah. Dude.
7
Dude.
p.m.
Dude. Dude. My research program is gonna make me actually crash out. That's why I'm so tired. Um. No. Are we supposed to just send the IPs of the peers though? Uh.
I think we're supposed to give a little bit more information than that.
Okay.
I
So
think.
uh, we can figure that out later. We should have enough,
Yeah.
and we should be building this in such a way that we can refactor to accommodate that.
Yeah.
Uh, so that should be all
Especially with
right.
splitting all this stuff up.
Yeah. Um, okay. So we have that. We have the helpers for that, and then I guess let's. Is that not an atomic? I feel like that probably should be an atomic. Um,
But
in peer supports the bool and the U8. I
you
mean,
can feel free to make it.
I
Like
might.
this, it should like return a bool, but you can make the peer supports thing itself.
Yeah, no, that's kind of
Um,
what I was thinking.
but we're
I'll
never gonna write to these though, no? Like we're only gonna write to this once.
yes, but it still just makes it so in the future, it's just there's less thought um,
Okay. Yeah, feel free then.
doing it. But I'll do that on the next commit just so we don't just this commit we're just moving stuff in a struct. We aren't changing logic.
Okay.
Um,
Okay. So what's next?
info
So
question mark.
autorect. I have all these basic things. So handle piece request is extract piece handling into a separate method for clarity out. So handle piece request.
You
Uh,
you wrote that one.
did
I'll
I?
try. Yeah. Definitely not blaming on you.
Well, it has a reference to create torrent. I'm pretty sure you wrote this.
That sounds right. Um, I don't know. It doesn't matter. Okay, so
Oh, if the peer does not have a piece, so self.piece is not have a piece, don't request it.
yeah, I
Oh
know I'll
wait,
do
so shouldn't
that.
this for extract piece request handling? So this is us requesting a piece
Yeah.
from the okay. Let's change this comment.
Yeah, and then
And this should be changed to like peer request piece. This
it
function should be renamed.
should it? Yeah, no, you're right. Okay. Um, request piece, and then do we want to put that in? Yeah, peer comms in a separate file.
It's on file.
In a separate file in peer comms, or do we want to put that in a already existing file? Uh,
We could make a file called like protocol.rs,
that seems
and that'll
fair.
have like all that stuff. Or we can just put it in mod.rs because stuff like this is kind of like general and like using all the
That's
peer
kind of what I was
comms
thinking too.
methods.
But well, wait, hold on. We could. Oh, how about we do this? How about we have like a write dot r? No. I was gonna say, how about we have a write.rs and a read.rs, but that sounds kind of stupid now that I'm thinking about it.
Yeah, I don't know about a write or read. Yeah, I don't know
Yeah.
about that one.
Um, we could plop in stream. No. Stream is specifically for pure stream, which we also might want to refactor at some point because it's kind of
Yeah.
fat. Um, we can do that later. So
I mean, it's mostly just like boilerplate code, like manually implemented thing. The only thing we can really do to split up stream.rs um is like creating macros.
yeah, but that
It
that's
isn't
not
that long, it's 500 lines.
no, it's not
Huh.
that bad. Okay, so where the hell do we want to put this function then? Request piece.
So the most logical answer would be in 'cause this is the most logical answer would be um like messages rs, but that file is already 1,000 lines. We could make a we could put this in mod rs honestly because it is more general.
Yeah, I guess so. Do we want to do that as? Oh yeah. We can just directly impl. That seems fine. Okay. All right. Yeah, we do that. Or
Yeah, I'll do it.
yeah. Okay. Yeah. No,
Okay.
you're right. Okay.
Impl-
Okay. So that goes in mono S. Then
I spell Pierre.
okay.
Okay, the writer.
Okay. So for handle receive and handle peer command, how do we want to do that?
Handle Pierre. We need to stop using the word handle so much. That's
Yeah. I know.
kind of a bad habit that we have.
It is. It is. Request piece is private. Request piece should be public.
This is Tokyo time.
Async public. Is that not right? That's not right. I should pub async function. Am I going crazy? Must be pub async function. Oh, it is. Okay, I take it back. Okay. Okay.
important. That's good. Oh, send.
Okay.
Oh, I need to put the send.
Oh,
Wait.
yeah. Okay. That sounds fine. Okay, then let's see. Okay, handle receive. I guess that can really just be singular receive. That doesn't need to be handle receive like that. That sounds kind of stupid. So just receive. And then I guess just send for that? I mean, maybe? If it, that conflicts with a different function, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, where's the send? Actually, maybe you already moved. Oh, there it is. With that misspelling, with 200TX.
You could probably, since it's send specifically to the engines, yeah, send
Yeah.
to engine. Yeah, that's better.
Yeah. That sounds fine. Okay, and then specifically self.send.
Helper function for handle here is very beefy. The factors already. Oh yes, beefy function. Oh my goodness.
It's fine. Don't worry about it.
So this is self message.
We just don't look at that. Oh yeah, I'll call
Wait, is
you.
this receiving? Wait, is this receive function receiving from the engine or from the peer?
Oh, that's fair. Receive from peer. Oh boy, why did I go there?
Like I'm confused.
I'm actually so lost. What the hell? Did I just undo a bunch of shit?
Line 141.
I hate 141. Okay. Yeah, this receives. Wait. Oh, I say that now. Oh, I don't.
Is it receive? What is it receiving from?
Oh yeah. Receive from peer. From peer. Um. Okay.
Okay, it's fine. Yes,
We're
we are locked in.
one of us is not. It's me. It's me, by the way. But uh. Okay.
Send to engine, receive from peer. A helper function for handle peer.
This should be.
Pretty sure you can just remove this, by the way.
Thank you.
Does that actually
Wait.
work?
Remove what?
Never mind. No, it doesn't.
There's,
Wait, no. What
what are
am
you
I
doing?
doing?
What are you
Oh,
doing?
I'm selling.
You're selling. You are absolutely selling.
Wait, what happened?
You're selling.
Oh, hold on.
You're selling.
We should just delete this. Handle
He's
peer.
he's selling, chat. He's selling.
Okay, no, it doesn't work anymore.
Oh. Okay then. That okay.
Wait,
Okay.
what has happened?
What are you doing?
What? Jeez. Wait, what? $12 for sending. Wait, what does this do? Oh, wait. I'm slow. Oh,
Bro.
I had the function minimize so I couldn't see.
Oh my god.
Recipes.
Okay.
Is it other definition of request piece somewhere?
Uh, what? Huh? How are there multiple definitions of request? I'm actually what?
Did you move it to a different file already? Oh
No.
wait. Oh
Did
wait,
you?
I did.
Oh my
I did.
god.
I did.
Oh my god.
I forgot to do it.
There's no way. There's no way.
Okay.
There's no way.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay, just gonna ignore that. Just gonna ignore that.
I don't understand anything, but good luck. Thank you. I need that.
We don't either. If that makes you feel better. Okay.
Yeah.
Receive
Engine. See from here.
from peer. Receive from peer. Okay, and then
There's a send right here.
okay, then send. That seems fine. Okay. All the way back up. That should be a send to engine. Yes. Okay. All right, that seems good. Question mark. Okay. See, you're moving that. You move. Okay, so you move request piece into there. Okay, and then honestly, I think we just move receive from peer, and send, and I'm gonna rename that send to peer, um, just for like complete clarity. You know, I mean, are you fancy about it? Okay, not.
And wait, are you sure this is sending to peer? Self,
Uh,
yeah, because it's calling self sent to engine right here.
wait, what?
This is looks like a receive. If anything, wait, message.
Hold on.
Wait, what is
No,
this
no,
doing? So
no.
it takes self.
It is saying to peer.
Really?
Yep, yep.
Arc and takes peer right send to engine.
Yeah, because we can send. Wait, right? Hold on. Now you've confused me.
'Cause why is it taking a peer command instead of? It looks more like a receive, if anything.
No,
It's taking the
because
peer.
no, because the peer command dictates what is sent to the peer, but I don't know why. Hold on, I don't know why we're not.
And peer
That's
command
receive
just
from peer.
yeah, peer message. Like, wouldn't that make the most sense?
No, because there are certain scenarios in which using in which other things are required in a peer command. I couldn't tell you what that is, but let's just act like it actually is.
Hmm.
Yeah. We could try and change that if you wanted to. I would honestly rather just keep it as a peer command. Just
Self dot. Also, you name this self dot support.
oh yeah. I forgot. Yeah, we need to go through and change all that, don't we? To
What
the
is it from? Also, I think we need to import these files. Otherwise, you can't
access
view
the
the
impulse.
impulse.
Okay.
Yeah, I think because I'm not getting any IntelliSense for this.
Yeah. Let me
What the?
use what? Okay, what is that? This should be use. Or should be in here. Want to be peer comms.
Oh wait, no, it's just because it's. Oh wait, that's on me. It's just because it's private. I
Oh,
think. I don't think you need to
maybe.
import it.
Okay, I was gonna say. Um,
There we go. I think.
is that working on your end? It's not on my end, but
Uh,
that could just be my LSP dying.
expected because this is bool. Oh wait, this doesn't need to be greater than there. Okay, there you go.
Are you
You
sure
should be
about
able to
that?
remove the imports. It should be.
Oh,
It's working fine.
okay. Oh, why am I? Oh my god. Hate this editor so much. Okay. All right. That should, yeah, this should work now? Question mark. Here, let me go look for the. Okay, so dot supports pep. Yep. Okay. Yeah. That seems to work. Supports pep. Oh no. Why is it? Dude, does this? Okay. Wait. What? Oh yeah. Self dot supports. Okay, wait. What is that? Oh. Why? Where did the double equals go? There's a double equals. Self dot pure supports, and then delete till 9. Dot supports pep on 9. We should really get pep on 9. Pep. Okay, yeah, I gotta add another helper function for not state supports, because there should be a get. Okay, yeah, so maybe we just want to do, for that we should do U64 U8 then.
Message is not struct.
And then that way that just, okay, there we go. That just returns that. Because otherwise we're going to spend a lot of time trying to like figure that out. Okay, so self dot supports. Or maybe Beppo9 ID. Maybe we should just have two different. Okay, how about this? What if we just do pub function Bep09 ID, and then references self returns a U8. This is actually just pure supports.bep09.
Should just change the extended thing to a. This is a peer command. It's not like a peer message. If you just change that to
see,
be a bool.
No, the ID of that matters.
Oh, okay.
I know it's stupid, but it does matter. Bep09 ID, Bep09 ID. What are you happy about? Okay, you want C32? You let me do that? There we go.
Yep, works.
Yeah. Oh, we also need setter methods. Do we not do that?
What?
Setters for yeah, here I can just write this by hand. What's it? Are you yeah, you're doing set. So set Bep 9 takes a reference to self, takes in a U8, returns nothing. Self dot pure supports dot Bep 9 is equal to this should be ID is equal to ID. That should be fine. What are you mad about? Cannot assign to. Oh, mutable reference. I'm sorry. Yeah, I will probably go back and make these atomic at some point just to make our lives a little bit more carefree.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pub function set Bep 10 mute self.
Did you say you want to make that?
Uh-huh.
You want to make that atomic?
I will later. After we're done with this commit, I don't do it and this one.
Really send it.
What?
Will let you have mute self there.
It looks like it.
Well, it will there, but like when you actually use a function, when you call it, will allow you to have mute self.
Ooh. That is a good question. We're gonna find out. Let's see. Yeah, I sure that's no, it should. Set Beppo9 let's see. Yeah, it works. Okay, I was gonna say, 'cause I'm pretty sure that base handle peer function is mute self. Okay. Next self dot peer supports. Okay, nothing left there. We have a bunch of like self dot supports calls. Okay, that's great. Okay, and then for state, let's look at. This is gonna be a little bit more dicey. It's just gonna be a lot more pure. That's not state.
Oh so, my God, Oscar.
What? What?
You put saying about having to clone. Something is fine.
What is it? What is it?
There's no option for a moment.
Was it seriously? Here, show me. Wait. Where is it?
Messages RS line 562.
I see.
You have to clone here for some.
What did I do?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, look, it's the same thing. It's the same thing.
No.
Look.
It's the same thing?
Clone is a psyop by the U.S. government to get us to think that clone actually makes a difference. Thank you. I rest my case.
Okay. Yeah, we know that.
Yep. So if not.
If what?
Did you not make that pub for the state? Is that that's not pub, is it? Pub. Is it gonna take forever? Can I just pub everything in an impl somehow?
It's probably a macro for it, but I have to find that. It's probably not should have had to see
I can't be bothered. No big deal.
Yeah.
We'll just go through and just manually type this out. I'm gonna get arthritis from this dude, I swear.
That's all multiple lines.
That's too much work for me. If I did anything...
I'm not gonna.
If I did anything, I would use a Vim, macro.
Macros. Yeah.
I don't... Well, actually, no, actually, wait, hold on. Can we do that? Because we could do that, right? Okay,
What?
okay, so, okay, if my cursor is right here, okay, I'm gonna, let's see, let me record at Q. I'm gonna type ipub space. I'm gonna do, oh, okay, where do we go from here? How do we get down to the, end, oh, wait, no, we can do escape, percent, that's not working. Okay, scratch that. Okay, how can I, hold on, now I'm kind of curious. Go to end of function Vim. There's gotta be a way to do that. Okay, so, oh, I've never heard that before. Let me see. Suplex, how the function
What are you
isn't,
trying to do?
I'm trying to see if I can do a macro for this.
End of function. Just go to end of block now.
I literally never use that.
What?
Dude. Okay, look. Okay, look. Is that end of? Oh my God, it's a thing. It's a thing.
Yeah, you can sort. You can go by blocks.
Because I did like.
You didn't know that?
Oh my God, dude. No way.
Yeah, I just like change it.
Yes, literally. Okay. So now, okay. We're gonna okay. So we're gonna press Q and record on Q. We're gonna do pub function. Hit that key. Go here. We're gonna go down one line, and then find F, and then NQ, and then we're gonna replay at Q. Oh my God, it works! Look at this! Look at this! At Q, at Q, at Q. Oh my God, I'm actually so smart.
Yep. It's okay. Good job. Good job, Oscar. You figured out how macros work. Yeah.
I love macros so much, dude. They're actually like the most amazing thing ever. Self dot. Wait, is that am interested? Hold on. Self dot in.
It supports BEP9.
Oh, the AI fucked us, dude.
What?
Go through and change the verbiage of these, because that should be like that. Okay, there we go. And then it's just self dot interested. Self dot interested. Okay. Self dot. Okay, so am choke. So self dot.
Here.
Set am choked to.
Receive from here.
Wait, huh? Ooh. What is this all part about? I'm so confused. What? Am choke.
Okay, so we have receive from here. Choke.
Oh. Am choked should be self dot am choked. There we go. Self dot am interested.
Okay, this will be. I'll change this. Self dot.
Okay. Am choked. So self dot am choked. Oh yeah, we're gonna be able to rewrite some of this, aren't we? Self dot am self dot interested. Alright, is that also there's a verbiage there, Pat? Wrong. Okay, and then we have set somewhere. Yeah, no, see, it's AI tweaking. Okay. Well, whatever. Okay. Um, self.state.clone. I think it's fine. Okay, so this is last message sent. Huh? What are you mad about? Oh, why is it sending? Bro, okay, yep, I have officially grown tired of AI within. Dude, it can't even.
Also, question: shouldn't we be responding to keep alive messages?
Um, I don't think so.
I'm pretty sure because every time I run a test, like I receive one keep alive message and then I don't receive any more.
I
And I'm
mean,
assuming it's because the peer kills the connection with us after we don't respond.
um, I
Because
mean,
remember,
it might.
the peer wire protocol is supposed to be both ways, so I'm assuming if they send a keep alive, we're supposed to send keep alives too.
I mean, that's not the wrong things to assume.
Okay. 'Kay. So chat. DT. Two.
Okay. My bad, my bad. Okay. Let's see. So, oh yes, why is it returning an option? I think that's the issue. Oh, right, 'cause it could be not. Okay, I guess it is not wrong, maybe. We're just gonna unwrap that and hope for the best. Um. Oh my God. Of course. Of course it didn't work because it's okay. Yeah, I'm.
So fun fact,
Yeah.
Rust has a to-do macro.
As a what?
Um, Rust has a to-do macro where if something gets hit, like a use case gets hit,
Oh
it'll
yeah.
like terminate or
Yeah.
like log and stuff.
Yeah.
So instead of having like to-do comments, you just put like use the to-do macro.
Yeah. I've seen that. Okay, so why is that? No, that shouldn't. I guess. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah. Bro, I hate this thing. Okay, last. Because that should be. Yeah, that's an atomic option instant. But that does not take an atomic option instant. So I guess that's not really hard to refactor, is it? Um, unwrap or
Both
insert
sides with that error.
now. But then, yeah, okay, so let me jump to that definition.
Um,
Oh, wait, update message, I mean. Um, oh, okay. Oh, wait, okay, so wait. We don't need that anymore. Um, okay, so then we go back down here to the bottom. And then we should just be able to do self dot update.
updating. Oh, wait, are you doing messing with the state stuff?
I am. Sent, it's sent at now. Ba-da-ba-da. Oh, I guess oh, yeah, I guess that's what I need. Okay, fair enough. There we go. Okay, that works. Okay, I should be done messing with it, kind of. Yeah. So,
So there was a function called update message. I don't know where it went.
yeah, that's not necessary anymore. Just use the helper functions in state.rs.
Which one would be? which one would I use here?
Um,
It says self update message, self dot say that last optimistic unchoke.
just well, wait, where? Hold on, where are you? Let me see.
165 model rest.
Just here. Yeah, just self dot update last optimistic on choke.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Okay.
Okay. All right. Huh?
So,
Oh. Okay.
update. Oh no, it wouldn't be unchoke. It would be. Okay.
Oh,
Fair enough.
debug. My God. Okay, so this should be. Let's see. So this is choked. Self dot choked. Okay, this would be self dot interested. This should be self dot am choked. Okay. I think this should be a reference. And then self dot am interested. Okay. Zero. Okay. Okay. That's just there. Okay. Then it's self dot.
Oh wait.
Oh. We're good. That's gonna do self dot pure supports. Okay. Nothing else. Should be nice. Okay. Start looking through errors now. Are you in that? Okay. Here I was bottom then. Okay. That one should be easy. That's just send to peer. Send to peer. Correct. Yes. Okay. Simple error to handle. The syntax highlighting here is actually atrocious. Oh God. No, I don't want to write. There we go. Okay.
Since Rust macro sucks.
No, just the general syntax highlighting for Z sucks. Or I guess it could be this color scheme, but I'm gonna blame it on Z.
Yep.
Mhm.
Jeez.
Okay. Ba-da-ba-da. No method. Oh right, yeah. Then this should just be. Yeah, this we shouldn't need that anymore. We should just be able to do. Oh wait, actually we might need that. Self dot am choke. I think it's gonna run into a. Will it not move? Maybe. Let me see. No, I think it's going to. It should be self dot interested. Set interested to true. It's gonna create more issues. Yeah. Can I just sure. Wait. Yeah, we're not an arc self. Or no, we're not. Okay. Here, I got a fun thing to figure out. We got some more light. Well, not in some more. We got a lifetime issue on 437 of Piers Mod OS. You'll see what it is pretty quickly. So previously we cloned the arc atomic bool for am choked and set and interested, and then manually used those in here because it was an arc, right? But with our
Yeah.
current setup, we're trying to directly access it through self, but self is a reference to mutable self, so that's not really working out, which is an issue.
M choke doesn't work on mutable cell.
Well, no, because self gets moved, but then we need to to access self later on.
Uh,
I know. I mean, we can always just directly access it. It's just not
yeah,
good
we
practice.
can. It isn't a good practice, yeah.
Here, like, okay, that's what the original looks like. Um, I think we need
Okay.
to, yeah, and then this would just be self dot state dot am choked, and then this would be a self dot state dot,
Also, current.
yeah,
When this like not update?
the
Like,
what?
when is how? Wait. What is this doing? Like, what is this?
This, this.
Because this, like, let's say in the middle of this loop, these states change. What
Mm-hmm.
happens to this loop?
Uh, it's an atomic. It doesn't matter if it
So
changes. 'Cause it should be an atomic now.
I don't. I didn't research how atomics work, so I don't really know.
So
So if it,
an atomic operation means, okay, so I get what you're saying, but it shouldn't matter because, okay, so okay, what you're saying is if we start this loop by not being choked, uh, well, actually, no, yeah, no, it shouldn't matter.
oh wait, it's dot load. Okay, no wait, never mind.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
I
yeah,
see the
yeah, yeah,
dot load. Then never mind.
yeah, 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 yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah,
What
yeah,
we're
yeah, okay,
doing
okay,
is okay. I'm understanding. I'm understanding
okay, yeah, yeah,
because
yeah,
this has the direct atomic,
yeah,
while before it had a just a raw Boolean.
yeah, yeah. Uh, so now we're,
So I guess the best practices would be to just go like this.
yeah, actually,
Unless we were to create a helper function that just accesses the atomic directly,
yeah, that
just
too.
returns the atomic directly.
Yeah. But either way, this I don't even know if we need to loop over this. That's one
Really?
of the things I need to check at some point because again, BitTorrent docs are horrible and awful in every way, shape, and form, and I
Yeah.
can't tell if uh when we're choked if we shouldn't send a bit field. I don't. Yeah,
What'd you say? Sorry.
because I can't tell if when we're choked if we shouldn't send a bit field because we're choked. Which
Well, aren't we choked after we send the bit field? Like we're supposed to get choked once
not all the
we
time.
send the bit field, no?
Sometimes we get choked right out of the gate.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, well, actually, well, no. Sorry, it's not that we get choked right out of the gate. It's that all connections start off as choked and not interested.
Got it. Okay.
So, no, it's yeah. Uh,
So is this more like a wait until I'm unchoked?
yes, yes. That's a good way to describe it. Here, there's
I think there's a Tokyo method for that.
seriously, that'd be nice.
Like for a wait until something. I think there's a Tokyo method for that so we don't have to loop this.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Or we could just use a normal while loop.
You could do that too. Well, how are you planning on doing that?
Just do you can just do
Oh, yeah, I see what you mean. Sorry.
you
Yeah,
have a helper function called like wait until unchoked
yeah, and then you just
and
wow.
and then you
Y-
just await that and then
y-
you just yeah.
yeah. Okay, that would make sense. Yeah. Okay, and then here, let me do this for now. Let me. This is directly accessing self dot state when we have helper methods. However, due to moves, this is the best way to do this, I think. Okay. That was a little blurb there. Okay. Yeah, if you want to try and find that, I would be very grateful. Um,
And what?
the little Tokyo, whatever Tokyo function you were talking about. Actually, here, I can probably just Google that. Tokyo wait until condition is true. I don't want to use AI. Asynchronous waiting for. Actually, no. I swear, I looked at this at some point. Uh, having it, just having a condition you can check is not enough to create a future. You you all need a way to notify when the check becomes true when you return pending. Consider using a channel or using Tokyo Sync Notify. Okay, Tokyo Sync Notify. Tokyo Sync Notify. Notify a single task to wake up. I don't think that's. Yeah, I mean, I guess we could use that. I think, I think the way we're doing it is the way we have to do it, just because of how, of the nature of how futures work.
Fair
Uh,
enough. Yeah. Fair enough.
I guess either way, we shouldn't change it this commit either, because we're already changing a lot, and we don't want to change logic. Um, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to go ahead and move this to, I guess, ModRS and Pure Comms. And by it, I mean,
Unrest.
uh,
Uh.
send to Pure and
Also, wait.
receive from
Pure.
Pure.
How much of this is using pure info?
Ooh, that's a good question. It shouldn't be. Actually, no, no. I
Shouldn't we
don't.
move some of this to pure info?
I don't think we ever directly access Pure Info. I'm pretty sure there's already wrappers for that.
Okay. We'll determine if Oscar.
What? Oh god damn! What did I do? Please tell me I didn't do something
Go
embarrassing.
to 373 on Mars.
373 monitor S. Hold
Oscar. Please.
on. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
What does this even do?
It,
This doesn't even return anything. Like what does this function do?
oh! Oh! Oh, wait. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Self dot set. Set. Wait. Hold on. Hold on. Let me use to add a set bep10. Set bep10 to true. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. It's
Determines and updates what BEPs can appear as. Okay, fair enough.
okay. See,
I guess
we got it.
What were you? Why did you?
Dude,
There's
dude.
no way I just saw equals true. There's no.
Oh my god. It's so bad, dude. It's so bad. Oh my god. Okay.
Equals
Just
true.
ignore that. Just ignore that. Just ignore that. Okay.
You're an interesting individual.
I know. I can tell. Okay. I'm gonna move this stuff to. Okay. I'm moving receive from here and the other thing to
Okay.
ModRS and Pure Comms? Question mark.
Sure. Also, shouldn't we like stop using magic numbers
What do you mean?
like the 0x10?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You're right. Well. You.
It also shouldn't
No, you're
determine
right.
if supported be in shouldn't it be in supports.rs?
The yes, it should be now. Yes, yes.
Okay.
This is why I have you here. Okay.
Exactly.
I know. I say it like once a day. I swear. Okay, duplicate. Definition. Did you remove that? Since Pierre, huh? Oh, maybe it's. Oh, I guess we didn't write that, did we? So that probably didn't see that yet. And then never go back here, and that should be gone. There we go. Okay. Still lost stuff that's undefined, but that's fine. We can do that. Okay, time to import a bunch of crap. Broadcast. Peer response. Peer command. MPSC from Tokyo Sync. Info hash from crates. Debug. Oh. Debug. Where is it tracing? Extra type. No.
You have half the size of this file, by the way.
I know.
Pure's model rest is 500 lines.
Good. Why can't I access the tracing debug macro? My LSP.
Uh,
There we go. I got it finally. Um, okay, that's fine. Hash map. Hash map.
Send to Pure is private.
Extended message. Okay. Extended message type. Extended message type. Okay. Oh, where do we go? Nope. That should be fine. Question mark. There we go. Okay. Oh, you're doing that. Okay. Okay. Here.
Two more errors.
Yay. Arc and then utext from Tokyo Sync. Okay. Now we just got some warnings. It's probably mainly from from this shit. 10 and then remove. Okay, that's mostly gone. Where's the other one? But yeah, we should fix a few things like that. Yeah, you're saying. Let's see where. Is it just not updating? What? No, there we go. Okay, never use. Okay, yeah, I think we're good. Other than this.
Split up. Oh, handle Pure has been split up. Well, is it though? Well, this function is just inherently going to be kind of beefy.
The what function?
Handle Pure.
Oh.
There's not really much we can do about that.
Yeah, I think I feel like that's kind of fine.
Sent engine, all this looks fine. Okay, so we did move it, but still some of these functions are a little too big anyway.
Yeah. Hold
So in Pure comms model rest, receive from Pure is kind of obnoxiously big. Like we can handle some of this logic. Like stuff like this is fine, but this more complex logic should probably be handled by external function.
Yeah, you're probably right.
And that function doesn't have to be pub either.
Yeah.
Doesn't cloud it because the Pure struct is gonna be massive. It's gonna have so many functions.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Okay, that seems fair. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let me. Okay. I think we're. Yeah. So do you want to refactor or move?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to refactor this.
Yeah, that into a separate function or something.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a bit of a pain, I think, but whatever.
Fine.
It's fine.
Cause. Yeah. Okay.
Pure. So maybe this is where we like naming a function handle pure command would actually be like appropriate.
Really? You think so?
Maybe. Just as like a helper function.
See from Pure. I guess.
Maybe.
I think we could.
I know.
Let me see. I'm thinking.
You do that, buddy. You do that.
Okay, yeah, I think probably handle might be better.
Okay. Yeah, so we do handle, yeah.
So handle extended message, just do that and copy paste the logic from that.
Okay.
I'm gonna take the extended stuff.
Okay, yeah.
Save tip here.
Yeah, I mean, we really, just copy that. Oh my god, yeah, 'cause that has one beefy ass.
I think it's like 80. Jeez, just for this branch, it's 80 lines.
Holy crap.
Yeah,
that can be moved into a separate function.
Yeah, admin. Handle extended message.
You know, maybe we even break up messages.rs now that we have like the extended message and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
That would maybe that would be next commit certainly, but that would not be a bad idea. Yeah.
Okay, I have an idea.
Okay. Let's hear it. Let's hear this awesome idea. I got you.
Plug it into ChatGPT.
Oh my god. Oh my god. No, dude. You got this. Come on, just dude.
Huh?
No. Look,
This isn't actual logic work. He's just spinning up a function.
no. I know, but it's easy enough to do by hand.
Fair enough. Okay. Um, so we can. I'll split this up. Extended. Let's start with the piece, I guess. Handle piece. Does this really need to be up? I can.
No,
This.
no. Oh,
Sure.
no. I think it's fine.
Okay. Extended. Oh wait, no. What am I looking at? Okay. I'm slow.
Yeah,
Yeah,
forget
no.
it.
Piece is fine. Choke is fine. Unchoke is fine. Interested, not interested. All this is fine. Request is fine.
Yeah,
Extended is really long.
yeah. Definitely need to.
So
Um,
okay, okay. And then async handle extended message cell, and then what else would it take? Let's see.
extended ID, extended message, and metadata. Which metadata is evacuate or option evacuate to be specific. Yeah,
Okay.
just yeah. The typing is gonna be annoying. Just so you're aware. Okay. While you're doing that, I should be productive, and yeah, I think
Way we can like parse. Is the extended message already parsed or
it
it is
should.
extended message trying to speak?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
okay.
it's
So I was like,
parsed. Yes, this is just handling the output of that.
oh, okay. Box extended message. Okay. Okay, no, I understand.
Okay. Okay, so you're doing that. I'm doing that down there.
Box.
Is that? Hold on, is that in there? I think you put that in there. I'm just mildly adjusting things. Um,
Oh wait, it would need a bunch of stuff. Okay.
there. I think that should be the correct function definition, right? No. Huh? Oh, I need to say wait. If I make
Well,
it,
it would also need. Here, let's try copy pasting this.
yeah, yeah, because
Okay.
well, no, yeah, it might just need mute self, right? I don't know. Let's see.
Uh, should be good. Yeah,
Let's see.
added too many semicolons. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, not good.
Oh, this isn't right.
Oh,
Um,
what did you do?
let me do this. And do it like this. Okay. And then go down here and do it like this.
There we go. Okay,
There we go.
then a few of those things we'll have to do, but that's oh yeah, that doesn't need to be dereferenced anymore. We'll need inner send tx to be passed in.
Okay.
Don't need to
I
double.
got it.
Yeah, and then oh, we're also gonna need info hash, and from engine tx. Yeah, this is kind of gonna be like a kind of beefcake of a function. I agree. I agree with your opinion on the matter.
There. Okay,
Okay.
that should be good.
I feel like Russ is going to yell at us for having too many arguments to
I'll
a
borrow
function.
self is immutable. Oh, yeah, mute
Self.
self.
Got it. I beat you to it. Okay.
Okay,
Use.
and then we can go here,
Yeah, you can delete that.
and then
Yeah.
okay.
Make sure you get
Oh
the
god.
next. Yeah, yeah. You got it. You got
Okay, and then we just go.
it. Handle extended message.
What did my autocomplete just
Oh
do?
my god.
What is extended?
I don't even know.
Okay, extended ID DHE.
Okay.
But when do we get this variable? What code does my autocomplete generate? Oh well, now we know how DHT works, I guess. But whatever.
I wouldn't trust your
So
autocomplete there.
handle send a message. That oh doesn't return anything. Oh fuck. Like this. Does that handle expected box
You got this.
and reference? Oh wait, I don't think we need a reference. I think you remove the reference. This thing can take ownership. Oh
Yeah.
wait, no, wait, is it a reference?
Oh my god, we have so. Okay.
Oh, yeah, it is a reference.
Holy crap, we have so many arguments.
Extended.
Yeah. You can deref that.
I can just deref that, right?
Yeah, you can deref most of this shit, I think. This should be. I think it should just all be a deref, I think.
Extended ID. Oh yeah, just deref all of it.
Yeah. Oh god damn it.
Oh god. Not move.
Can I clone it? The clone comes in clutch on that, and clone comes in clutch on that. God damn it, didn't work. Expected struct found option. Huh? What do you mean?
You
Standard
could just
option.
remove the reference and just make it take. Oh wait, no. This this is expecting ownership of it.
Yeah.
Well, why don't we just change it to references now?
There we go. Wait.
Yeah, that didn't. Oh wait, some.
Huh? What do you mean?
Seems to be two.
Expected.
Okay, yeah, that works. Okay. No
Wait.
errors in this function.
No, wait. No, wait, what? No, we have a bunch of errors.
Oh, just remove the deref.
There is no deref.
Expect found reference.
This one just a direct
Vector.
reference.
Oh, we just need to reference this.
This is so wild. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
There you go. I don't think we need clones anymore.
I know. I wait. Huh? Do we?
Yeah.
I think you're right. And then expert
Okay.
external
Not the only thing
ID.
complaining.
That could be a deref.
Expected.
Cause there we go.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. At some point, we should really probably make this the like 2-engine TX from engine TX, ARS10 TX into like a struct or something.
Yeah, definitely.
But
engine comms.
yeah. But we can do that later. Okay.
The
Next.
other one is obnoxiously long.
I know.
That it?
Oh, wait, do we want to move send to peer into? Hold on. Do we want to put?
What do you mean?
Do we want to abstract some of the logic of send to peer out into a separate function? I don't think it needs it.
Send to peer. Hold on.
Bottom of
Where
pure
is
com.
that?
Bottom of pure comms mod.rs. I don't think it needs it, but I wanted to run it by you anyways.
Piece. This isn't that long.
No, it's
Okay.
fine.
I think I think I have like a theory on
Uh-huh.
how we can make this better.
Okay.
Instead of like how we just move like the whole like block into its own function
Mm-hmm.
like this, how about instead of having like one big function block that we just moved, we split up that function into other functions that don't need self at all.
Let me see. Hold on, I follow you. Where are you?
So you see right here, 136 pure
Yeah.
comms mod RS.
Yeah.
So you see how we just have this one function doing this?
Ah, I
Why
see
not
what you mean.
split? Yeah, so instead of having one big function like this that just does all the work, we can split. We can still have logic in this block right here,
Mm-hmm.
but just have it be a bunch of separate little functions that do it.
Okay.
That makes sense?
Yes, that does. Yeah. Um, okay. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah. Yeah, we can do that. Okay. So we should have. Okay. So like for the first
So
bit,
if
um, send handshake. This should be a. Two. What does this need? This. Bleh, excuse me. I don't think it needs
okay,
anything actually. Uh, that could just be a. Ooh. Oh, god damn it! I hate this editor so much. Okay. Send. That should be send extended handshake. Uh, extended ID is a U8. We don't need a reference to self, but let's include one so we can just call it by .self. There's not to, and then we inner send tx is mpsc sender pure command. Okay, and then
self.
adder equals self dot socket adder for ease of use. Sends an extended handshake in return if the received extended message was a handshake. Simple. Okay. And handle extend message, we have self dot send extended handshake. That should be like dot clone. Cause it's a wait. Okay. And
then we have save to peer. This is fine. This is short.
I mean, it is, but should we just move it to a separate function just for clarity?
What? Okay. So what are we saving?
Like, the metadata, if the pure sent metadata.
Or yeah. I
Uh,
guess yeah.
yeah, I know. Um,
I mean, but it is only like 4 lines or like 5 lines.
you're right. Okay, that's fair. Okay,
But this is a bit more.
yeah,
Everything like here down could probably be its own function.
yeah, yeah,
Like this whole block should probably be its own function.
yes, absolutely.
If heroes meta, we don't have.
Yes, that's just request metadata. Um,
Okay.
okay, yes.
So yeah, create. I would probably make this into its own function.
Yeah, that's fine. Here, I'm gonna add a function, validate metadata for the last part of this function. Just be function validate metadata. I don't know what that needs. Let's see. So obviously self reference to self. Let peer adder equals self dot socket adder. Okay, so we need an info hash, which is going to be info hash. We need a 2 engine tx. Peer. Wait, no. MPSC. Wait, no. That should be a broadcast, shouldn't it? Yeah, it should be a broadcast. sender pure response, and then from engine tx is going to be a mpsc sender pure command. Okay. Pure
metadata.
Validate. Oh, validate metadata. That should just be the same. What are you mad about? Oh, did I get that wrong? Oh, yeah, okay, just clone. Dot clone. That's fine because this is these are just TXs. That doesn't hurt anything.
Yeah, should be fine.
Kind of the point of it. Okay, then
you move those comments to
yep, documentation. Guess boss.
Okay, good.
Have all of the metadata as bytes.
Okay, and then I guess we just have this little thing right here left.
Yes. Okay.
Good.
Okay. Yeah, so for that, let's see. Okay, honestly, okay, hold on, first things first. I'm still a fan of moving the save logic in just because it like okay, here's my theory. If I feel the need to add a comment that says we're saving this to peer, then this should just be a separate function. So there's no need to have that comment. That's my 10 cents. What do you think?
I guess, yeah, but
Is it still just like so short that it's
what
just
would this be like?
unnecessary?
Append the bytes. So like, what would this be? What would the function be called? Like append metadata?
I guess, yeah, just append metadata or save
But where
metadata.
this that would literally just be a wrapper for like
It would be.
self.info.append bytes. Like it would just be an error wrapper at that point that adds logging. Wouldn't really do anything.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, you're right. All right.
Yeah. And like check if metadata exists. But it
Yeah.
isn't. Yeah.
Okay, so then request metadata. We could definitely, we can just take this whole bit out and replace it as, here, we can just do this. We just do async function request metadata. At the very least, it's going to need a reference to self. And we're going to need a metadata size. Metadata size. What's the type of that? That is a U64. So we're going to be.
Also, what's the reasoning behind having this as a U64?
For the size, I mean, there's no. Realistically, we should never have metadata over 65,000 bytes, but it's kind of like, why risk it?
Normally what you're supposed to do for stuff like that is use U size over use.
Oh,
No, that's better.
okay. We can change that in the
In
future.
general.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
Noted. Duly noted. Okay, then extended message cannot find. Okay, that should be the message itself. We should also have a let peer adder equals self dot sock. Is there any better way you can do this just for logging instead of having a let peer adder define it at the top?
There is a way I can do this a lot better.
Okay.
That would be using what's it called?
Next
The
commit.
debug span. I know how to do it.
Okay. But
do you want me to use this commit or do you want me to do a different commit?
different commit, ideally. We've already changed so much. Yeah. And then the extended message should just be. Actually, hold on. We don't really need to. Oh no. Let's consolidate all the logic to here. Just reason that too. Dot piece. Huh? Oh, because it's not it's not a box, isn't it? Yeah, it's not that. Okay, then this metadata size, which is find a reference mutable. Yep, you got that. Okay, then here, um, self dot request metadata. Dot await. Here, let me just do that first, and then that's gonna probably either deref or clone. Oops, sorry.
Voice. That work?
No. I can always just clone it. If we pass by
No. No.
ref, here. We
Oh
should just
wait,
be able to do a
this isn't a
reference.
box.
It
No.
doesn't need to be a box. We should just be able to do that. Yes. Oh, yeah, because we're not mutating that. We're just getting the piece out of it. Okay.
Oh, okay. Looks good.
Um,
Okay, so we have this function that's a lot smaller now.
yeah. Request
So
metadata.
there's so many if statements though.
I know. We gotta change that too. Wait, hold on. Wait, should I change? Okay. The thing I'm thinking about here is that this should probably be piece a piece instead of an extended message. Wait, actually no, never mind, because we use that for everything. Wait, no, we don't. No.
Well, what do we need extended message for in this function other than just like the piece?
Just a piece. So let's change that to piece num, and then get it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I'll name it. You're just sending around bytes that we don't need.
Yeah. And that the Latin also is just ugly.
Yeah. We can just have U8, it's U8, right?
Yeah. Extended message dot piece dot wrap or 0. Nope, it's a U32.
32, okay.
Yeah. Piece
Looks good.
cannot find piece. Oh, you
And what's
changed
the
it.
reasoning behind the thing U32?
Because there are, well, this is probably the same thing that you mentioned with the U size. But
Okay,
there could definitely be more than a few thousand pieces. Yeah.
true. Also, for reference, U size like changes its size depending on the user's depending on the user's CPU architecture. So for 32-bit, I think it's the equivalent of U32, and for
Yeah.
64-bit, it's the equivalent of U64.
Yeah.
I think they're the same. So yeah, just
Okay.
keep that in mind. But
Okay.
normally it's like considered best practice where if you don't know what you want what kind of integer you want the thing to be, you just use usize.
Okay.
That's why by default the vex length is usize.
Okay. Got it.
It's like for like it's kind of like unknown basically.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Okay.
that should be good.
Wait, hold on. Let me add documentation for this. Request metadata given a piece number. Is that accurate?
Because I kind of do want to
Yeah.
move like all this like validate metadata. Not this one validate metadata, but like some of these functions out of actually the pure impl itself and just have them as like standard functions, just because it might be better that way.
Yeah.
Because this so the pure thing doesn't have so many functions. Because if you were to type like self in right now,
Yeah.
and just look at all the functions we have, it's like insane.
Yeah.
Which isn't necessarily the worst thing in the world. It's just
It's not great.
mm, yeah.
Yeah.
And when we get documentation, we should definitely change some of these like pubs to like pub crate, like
Yes.
100%,
Yeah. Definitely.
1,000%, because there is a possibility that people using this crate will need access to the peer
But they shouldn't
directly.
have access to all of this.
Yeah, definitely. So there's definitely a lot of things that need to be pub crate. Almost like all these functions need to be pub crate, if
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah.
So that's fine. Let me run the test real quick and see if this works, and then if you're okay with it, we can commit this.
Yeah. That sounds good. All right. Yes.
Everything seems to work fine. I don't
Okay.
see any. So
Which test are you running? Sorry.
The test peer connection.
Ah, okay. Wonderful. All right. Yeah, as long as that works fine. We chilling.
Okay. The logs are definitely logging.
Yeah.
They successfully received and validated metadata from peer.
Okay.
Your adder equals. Okay.
That seems fine. I'm fine
Generating
with that.
imperfect bytes. Yeah, everything looks good.
Okay. Yeah, let's yeah, I'd be happy to commit that. Give me one massive
Okay.
commit.
Yep, let's go for it.
Yeah. Let's see. Should we commit everything here? Yeah, I guess so. There's not really any reason to like commit like one by one. So yeah.
What'd you say?
No, no. I was just saying like there's no reason to commit stuff like one by one. Like
Yeah, this
um
is like a big one. One
yeah
and done. Refactor, I guess.
yeah.
What do we want to put here?
That's a good question. Um, this seems fine. Um,
A vector peer state.
embed support. Yeah.
Okay, it's good. Push. Oh yeah.
Okay.
So we probably like take notes on what else we want to change because we did put a lot off that you want to
Yeah.
like not change in this commit.
Mm.
So like what else needed to be changed that we just didn't want to do in that commit
Let's
so we don't
see.
forget because I feel like we're gonna forget because I already forgot like
Yep.
most of it.
Yep. Hold on. Hold on. I'm trying to stay locked in. I'm gonna send it to you on Discord. Okay. First thing. First thing. I want to change stuff in support.rs to be atomic. Change
Okay.
stuff in support.
Change pub visibility on some of these implementation methods.
And some impulse of here. Okay. What else we got? What else we got?
What else do we need?
That's okay. Okay, so that looks good. I think.
Reduce usage of U64 and U32
Yep. Reduce usage of UC4
in
and
favor of USize.
in favor of usage. Let me edit that. In favor of usize. Split up messages file.
Yes.
That'll be like a sub
Well,
folder.
to a subfolder, really? How
I
would
mean,
we do that?
well, I mean, we could do like a messages folder inside of pure comms, or we could just do a messages folder inside of pure.
I feel like having too many nested folders, like it's
Yeah.
really like
Or
this isn't like JavaScript in Python is normal, but with Rust it gets really annoying having so many
yeah.
nested folders.
Or wait, okay. How about we just do a messages folder in source? Just because I mean, these messages
This is,
are.
but this is all for peers now.
It is all for peers. Well, yes, but at the same time, these messages are still universal. So yes, but at the same time, no.
Mm, what we could do is have okay, here's a thought. Here's a thought. We
Okay.
could try splitting up pure comms into its own completely separate crate.
No, no, absolutely not. No chance. No. Why?
Really?
No, I will crash out if we do that because
Really?
there's so
Okay.
much. Uh, hold on. There's so much in pure comms that relies on stuff in libtortillas. I feel like that would just be
Well,
redundant.
no. It wouldn't be a public crate. Like it wouldn't be something that's published. Like it would just be a local crate
No,
that's just code splitting in the monorepo.
no, I know, but still, like I feel like I'm just I don't see the point of it. I am a little bit React brained, but I don't see the point of it. Uh, yeah.
Fair enough.
Okay, I do.
Uh,
Oh my god, my girlfriend, bro. Okay, I do need to get off and play with my girlfriend.
Definitely.
That sounds bad. I'm playing repo with my girlfriend. I want to I want to fully clarify that. That sounds so
Yeah,
bad.
that's another part of the VOD. VOD.
Yeah, yeah, no, that's like
But,
permanently saved
you know,
online under my real
fun
name.
game.
I know. It's bad. It's bad. Okay, yeah. We can come back to this tomorrow. I should be free.
Yep, same.
All right.
I might do some work while you're gone.
Okay.
Yeah.
That seems fun. All right.
All right. See ya.
See ya. Bye bye. Peace, chat. Thanks for watching.